Hi, folks, and welcome to week number 6. This is going to be a really busy week, and I thought kind of about whether I could spread the activities this week out a little bit more and decided I just couldn't figure out how to do it. I also feel like last week, as you did the scholarly source exercise comparing your two scholarly studies, that was really sort of the meat of your second essay, which is why this all sort of comes together as it does. So, this week, for Monday, we're going to watch the week 6 video, check the feedback on last week's work. In other words, the feedback on that document that you turned in, looking at the difference between your two scholarly studies. I want you to look at the proposal template and sample proposal, and then write and submit your essay 2 proposal. Okay, so we've got an exercise. I'm actually giving you a copy of a sample essay 2 here, and I want you to complete the sample exercise. I'll show you how this works down below in a minute. For Thursday, we're going to get feedback on the proposal, watch summarizing and paraphrasing, watch your MLA citation videos, and then write your essay 2 draft. We are going to do peer review on this. We'll do that between Thursday and Monday next week, and then have a little bit of time for some revision. Okay, so that's our schedule for this week. Like I said, it's going to be busy. It's going to involve, obviously, the writing of the drafting of your essay, but I do feel like the bulk of the work is really in comparing the two studies. So, essay 2 proposal, there's a proposal template here, a sample proposal that you can take a look at, and the place to submit that proposal. Okay. Then, sample essay 2, please take this and read it. It is a sample essay really developed specifically in response to this assignment, so I could show you a few things. Now, if you go to the exercise, you'll get to the Google Doc here that everyone's got the ability to comment upon. Everyone should have access to it. Everyone should have the ability to comment upon it. So I give you the instructions here, read the essay, add comments about what you like, what you don't like, and what seems out of the ordinary compared to the essays you normally write. There's going to be a lot of you commenting here. Feel free to comment on your peers' comments as well, okay? There's a how-to next week of how to use Google Docs if you've never done it before, but pretty much highlight, and then you'll get these pop-ups over here, add a comment. I don't think we need emoji reactions. Suggest edits, I wouldn't worry about. What we really want to do here is adding comments. Okay, so that little blue pop-up, you can also do it up there. Okay, so that's the sample essay 2 exercise. That's all by Monday. I want to be able to bring this essay back with your comments and kind of put together a little video about like what you guys identified, what I like about it, and kind of respond back to you guys, okay? So we're going to work with this piece to sort of develop an understanding of what sorts of writing we're looking for in this class. Okay, so that is that sample essay should give you a good idea, sort of what I'm looking for. Also, it'll give you the opportunity to sort of comment, look at what your peers are identifying in that piece is interesting too. After that, summarizing and paraphrasing video, just a reminder about how we go about that. Please engage with us, even if you did the activity a couple weeks ago. MLA citations, works cited, and in-text citations, and then a place to submit your essay 2 draft. So that's the week. Not a lot in the way of submission folders, but it's a lot of work in terms of how much time it'll take. So, work on it. If you've got questions along the way, please don't hesitate to reach out.